Hi everyone, this is Ramakrishna Bendaram, pursuing BE Electronics in Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. As a part of academic activity, I am pursuing Python with machine learning as an internship in Karnadu Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore, Karnataka. Before starting my detailed explanation of my project, I would like to convey my thanks to the whole team of Karnadu Technology, especially Sunil sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to get an internship under him. Now let us start my project explanation. I did my project on, it is to find out the car brand manufacturer origin using decision tree algorithm and random forest classifier. Now let me explain what are those algorithms. What is decision tree algorithm means? The algorithm which is used to create a model that predicts the value of a target variable for which the decision tree use the tree representation to solve the problem in which the leaf node corresponds to a class label and attribute. That is decision tree algorithm. Now, what is random forest classifier? It creates a decision tree on data samples and then get the prediction from each of them and finally selects the best solution by means of voting. The main advantage of the random forest classifier is it overcomes the problem of overfitting. It is the main advantage from the random forest classifier. Now, let's enter into our project. Before going to my project, I need to explain my data set which is used for my project. Now, this is the data set which I used in my project. These are the parameters. Based on this, I need to find out the car brand manufacturer origin. The parameters MPG means miles per gallon, cylinders, cube inches, HP means horsepower, weight lbs, time to 60, and year of manufacturing. Using these parameters, I need to find out this brand manufacturer origin. That means whether it is US or Europe or Japan. Now, let me go to our code. This is the code I developed to solve this problem. These are the libraries I imported. And this is the path from my PC. First, I am reading the CSV file using Pandas open CSV function. After that, I am reading the data. This is the data information. This is the code for data information. To check any NaN values, I am using this df.isNull. If is there any null values, it will show the true in that. Now I am counting the how many null values in that. It is showing in cube inches there is a 2 null values, and weight lbs there is a 3 null values. For dropping that null values, I mean not a number values, I am using drop NA function. After that, using Seaborn library, I am importing Seaborn and drawing these bar plots. Using these bar plots, we can compare different countries and which produce best. I'm comparing with different like these parameters: MPG, cylinders, cube inches, HP, weight lbs. I'm comparing all these. Now I am going to dataset to train the model and test the model. Here I am tested the data and trained the data. After that, I did my prediction. These are the output. Now let me go to user interface. Using PyQt, I developed a user interface. Based on that, we can check whether the algorithm is working or not. Now let me execute this. It is executing. After developing the PyQt, I simply changed the UI to Python 5 using Anaconda prompt. After that, those Python code is simply used in this Anaconda Jupyter notebook and developed some more changes. And finally, I got this user interface. Now let me give you the input values. MPG means miles per gallon. I am giving as 14.0. For cylinder, I am giving 8. For cube inches, I am giving 350.0. And horsepower, I am giving as 165. For weight lbs, I am giving 4209. For time to 60, I am giving 12. For manufacturing year, I am giving 972. Now let me check whether it is working or not. Yes, the manufacturer origin is US. To know whether it is right or not, I am checking with another parameter values. Now for miles per gallon, I am giving 13.1.9. For cylinders, I am giving as 4. For cube inches, I am giving 89. For HP, I am giving 71. For weight in lbs, I am giving 925.0. For time to 60, I am giving as 14. For a year of manufacture, I am giving as 1980. Now I am checking. Yes, there is error. I have to give 0.0. That is the problem. Yes, it is 0. I think you understand this concept and the working of algorithm. Thank you.